That's why I'm staying close.
You call that close?
Yeah. What? You think it's far away?
Not for my eyes, but you know, you're older.
Ooh, you know what you do.
Yeah, Johnny, what's up with that? Come.
Ailerons is good enough.
Okay. Cool.
Now I gotta keep my eye on it. All right. Okay.
I don't think he's ready to come down yet.
Gear up. 50%.
Do it again.
%. 50%. 50%. 0. Speed brake open. 25%. 0. 50%. 20. 0.
No thanks.
It was a little scary.
Morning, Joe. I was trying to do right this there. This will be fun to see. We'll see.
I wish I had gotten that though, because you were really low to the ground to do that move, flipping over.
Look at them, sir. Yeah, it's the wheel.
What was that, Michael?
Just doesn't do real tight turns, that's it. Well, if you just the travel.
The shipping, but shipping.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
That was
Gear up.
They all of a sudden decided they want to go nose in ground.
25%.
Boy, that was a little sensitive. Get up. Scared. Boy, it's hard to see. I'm just gonna do round robin. Hurry. Oh no. Yeah, I like how
1 minute. Gear
You'll
down.
land and I'll land.
Okay.
50%. 50%.
Yeah, this is. I gotta get that.
I'd like to be a little lower, but we'll take it.
0.
Staying high.
Speed brake open. 25%.
Damn trees.
0.
Didn't touch anything.
Little floaty.
With the wheel.
50%. up.
Yeah, because it's got to go. But I've looked it up.
50%.
If I could find what the part is.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Pretty slow, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, that was cool, John. I knew that, John. What the hell? I know. I know come out with it. I gotta work. I was gonna work it. Are you playing with it, John?
Yeah. I'm trying to push it.
Time remaining 1 minute 12 seconds. 25 for 50%. Gear down. 50%.
Landing!
0. Landing flaps. 23, 2, 1. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately. 0.
Help me see it. Maybe I'll put some online. That was sweet.
Gear up.
Behind you. 50%. I like about.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
This is big. I bought that at Freewing. The rudder wasn't working. And I changed the wire off and it started working. What's with these little red plates? I don't have much plate on that. Buy a good one. They wanted to find me about it. Did I have one? I got a 680. 645. What? No, it's
50% landing flaps. 20 seconds.
Judge distancing in the gun.
Oh, Jesus.
Come on, baby.
There you go.
All right.
Leveling.
This is busy airspace.
Anybody landing? Not yet.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Pick up, right to left.
And land right to left. Yeah, I think it's not picking up there. They don't have recharge.
50%. 0.
Watch out, JD.
25%.
Whoa!
25%.
Whoa!
Landing flaps. 0. 25%. 0.